We at eSpares are proud to introduce our Fixometer. It's a simple way of celebrating something that we think deserves real recognition. The Fixometer reflects when someone chooses to attempt to repair rather than replace their appliance. And last year alone, in 2025, over 340,000 people have made that choice. That's tens of thousands of thoughtful decisions that put practicality and sustainability first. And it also shows how many people are embracing repair over replacement. But the Fixometer is not just a number, it's a chronicle. Because behind every spare part, every video tutorial and decision to repair is a team of dedicated professionals that help make it possible. So, throughout this year, watch our series, Behind the Fix, where you can hear their stories and learn all about the behind-the-scenes magic that helps bring the Fixometer to life. Because repairing appliances is not just practical, it's something to celebrate.